back to my channel. So it is exactly 2 weeks until Halloween. So I decided to show you a cost-friendly, effective way to preserve your Halloween pumpkins by using everyday household items. So let's get started. Okay, so if you happen to have a 3-gallon bucket lying around, you can use that to soak your pumpkin, depending on how big your pumpkin is, of course. I don't have a bucket, so I decided to use my sink as my bucket. So you're gonna place your pumpkin in the sink. I didn't realize how long it was gonna take to fill up around 3 gallons of water, so I decided to wash my pumpkin, give it a little splash, 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 splasharoo. Next, I'm going to use Clorox bleach for my first preservative. You're going to pour equivalent to about 3 teaspoons into the sink and then, or bucket, of course, and you're going to let it soak for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, you're going to let your pumpkin air dry, and then that's it. You are ready to go. Pumpkin number 1 is preserved. No money wasted. I am excited. Okay, next we're going to use the can of WD-40. Most of you may have a can lying around your garage. So we're going to spray on the outside as well as the inside to get it as saturated as possible to preserve the pumpkin. Please note that WD-40 is extremely flammable. There are warning signs on the back that states that the contents are flammable. So if you are wanting to, of course, have candles or any type of flames around, don't use the WD-40 as your preservative.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Let's play hide and seek.
For our next step, we're going to clean all the gooky guts of the pumpkin out.
Okay, so now that my pumpkin is all cleaned out, I'm actually going to take it outside to spray the WD-40 just to be safe. So now my pumpkin is glossed out to perfection. I made sure the WD-40 saturated the outside as well as the inside. And just like that, my pumpkin is ready to go outside and chill by the door for Halloween.
We are done. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, leave your comments below. I will be happy to respond. Thank you.